Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10 in OpenBox channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to view hidden file system in Windows 10. So there can be any reason, so you want to give access to the hidden file system, or you're following some tutorial and you want to access to the hidden file system in Windows 10 that are protected from Windows 10. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So first you just have to go to the search bar here and search for File Explorer option. So type File Explorer option. So you can see there it is. So you have to open the File Explorer option here. After opening the File Explorer option, in the top here we can see there's option View. Click on View option, and in under there you can see there's option called Hidden Files and Folders. So you just have to click on the show hidden files, folders and drives. So you have to choose the option here, and under there you can see there's an option called hide protected operating system files. So you have to uncheck the mark from here. So you have chosen to display protected operating system files. Click on yes and click on apply and OK. So this will show you the hidden files and protected files that are not shown in Windows 10 normally. So you can see there's some files are already showing. So these are hidden files that are not showing normally in Windows 10. So if you want to rehide the files, so if you want to hide the file systems again, you just have to go to the File Explorer option again and go to the View option and just click on Restore Defaults here. Click Apply and OK. So you can see the hidden files of Windows 10 and normally are now hidden now. So you can get access to the hidden files, and you can also also hide the files. So that's it. This is a very easy and simple tutorial for you guys. Hope you find this video helpful. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.